telling me that USDCHF is right now in that best buy zone? Oh, I shouldn't say that, but it's in the perfect zone right now to trade with everything aligned. Are you telling me USDCHF is ready to be traded? Well, if it is, then show me how. Okay guys, well, today we're gonna see how USDCHF is really in a really good mood to, give us some good trades. And I see it, and it's a bit of a mouth-watering experience, and I'll tell you why. Now, I'm in the weekly time frame, and what do I see? Like always, I want to make my playground myself. I want to be the master of my own playground. Now, what do I see? As I always see with you guys, what do I see is a very, very good support system. I mean, just look at that. Look at that beautiful. Look at it. Return from here. It returned from here. Look at that. Turn from here. Did I keep on going? It returned from here. What is it showing me? It's a very, very strong resistance. That's what it's showing me. And on the upside, look at that. Look at this. Look at the zone. So many times has this market just has gotten stuck and not been able to go anywhere else but retract right from here. Right from here. Just keeps on going. Keeps on going. Keeps on going. And it's been happening since OMG 2014 now. See this? And you know what the good part is? It's only 1500 pips. This has been going around in around 1600 to 1500 pips. So what do you think is going to be happening next time? Nothing else has changed since 2013. Actually, it has been since 2012. Right here. Look at that. 2011, it just came into this zone, and it has just stayed in the zone, up and down, little bit down, little bit up. And now, you know what? I think that maybe here there might be a little bit of an indecision, because it was right smack in the middle. But look at it now. Look at it now. Where is it? It's at the bottom. It's at the bottom. So the probability just went up. Now the other resistances that I see is right here. For the past 2 years, almost, this is the range of 647 pips only. That it has been stuck on. 3 years. That's something, no? That is something. Wow. Okay. Well, now let's get to the daily. What do I see in the daily? What's happening? Now in the daily, what I see is, if I go back in, these lines, I see that it went down, check the, again, it did everything that it was supposed to do. But what it did not was that it failed at this point. It failed at the 0.9173 point. That is our point right here. We should be wary of. Then it went back up. Let's look at all these points. Broke and retested, went up. Let's see what it did here. OMG, OMG, OMG. Look at that. Broke the line, came back down, retested and up. Broke the line, came back up, retested it. You see that retest right here? This point right here went up, came down, retest, off it goes. This one, it went down, off it goes, actually did retest again, go back up and then retest again and failed to go down. Look at that. Created a wick. What does that show us? What does that show us? Now, how would I trade this thing? How would I trade? Let's use some fibs here. Try to make some more sense. Look at that. Even the fibs don't lie. A, B, C, D came back. I think I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. But this is in my watch list now. If this market makes this kind of a move, I'm in. I'm in. That is, goes back up, retests, and as soon as it crosses the retest point, I'm in. I'm in. I'm in right at this point. Let's go on the 4-hour chart for our entry points. Yep. Retest, come down, and starts its way back up here. My entry point, my friends, is going to be right here. And 3 points. Where's my stop loss? My stop loss, my friends, is going to be right here. Right here. And I'm going to take 3 orders right here. First one, as soon as it takes off and stops here, I'm going to take it here. Next one, right here, because it's going to go up, retests, and then come up again. And the last one is going to be right about, see that? And if, of course, it keeps on going up, then be my guest, because there's a lot of room up. Then there's another ball game. It keeps on going up, tears this line up. I mean, the potential is all the way to the top. All the way to the top. But for now, all I want to see is this going back up, and then look at the potential here. Look at the potential. 228 pips to 500 pips. 434 pips plus. Not bad. It's 1-to-2 ratio plus their 3 orders. Lot of potential. Guys. Anyways, let me know what you think. I'm thinking this way. If you guys think there's some other way to trade USDCHF at this point, I'm all ears. Tell me. But for now, like we always say, happy trading.